Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we can buy XRP on eToro account. So let's get straight into it. Now, the easiest way, because we know what we want to buy, is head over here to the search and type in XRP. It will show us a crypto, so click on it. And now we are here. Okay, so what we can do, here at the top right corner, you will see trade. Click on it. Type in the amount which you want to invest. So let's say 1000. We can set the stop loss. So something like that, for example. Set take profit. We can also set take profit at, let's say, 2000 or yeah, I don't know, let's say 5, like that. And yeah, this is pretty much everything what we can do. We can also here change order type, which is limit order, but let's stay with marker order, and let's hit buy button. Now, if we go under the portfolio here on the left side handbar, we will see that we have here active trade on XRP. So this is pretty much it, how you can buy it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next